Hey guys, so I'm sitting here with a lump in my shoulder. Lack of range of motion, lack of movement, lack of mobility in there after a minor operation yesterday. I can't press. The machine is slightly broken. And it's funny because on paper, I'm doing everything right. I eat grass-fed beef, no seed oils. I train appropriately, I take care of myself, I take care of my body. I'm on 150 milligrams of Sustanon every week. I never hide that fact. I'm optimizing my body. But like you, I'm still mortal. I still break. And that's what terrifies the modern male. We're terrified of being fragile. So today, I'm not talking about the big freak guys that you see on the Olympia stage. No, we're not going into that. I'm gonna talk about the accountant. I'm gonna talk about the guy who serves you your sandwich. I'm gonna talk about the guy sat behind the desk in an office. I wanna talk about the average man who's pinning gear in a bathroom stall, desperate to feel like something other than a ghost. And it's true, 10 years ago, if you saw a guy on gear, he'd look like a mutant. You know full well he trains in a dungeon gym and he eats tuna straight out of the can, if not put it in the blender. Good protein hack, by the way. 2 tins of tuna, smash it in the blender with a little bit of water, drink it. Drink it, it's gonna be fine. The question is why? And it's because modern society has stripped every other rite of passage. We don't hunt, we don't fight, we don't build houses with our hands anymore. We literally send emails, sit in offices. We've become domesticated pets. The needle becomes the only way to feel dangerous again. It's a chemical rebellion against the sterile society. I'm not a hypocrite. I've told you, I take Sustanon. I believe in optimization. I believe in unfucking yourself. But guys, let's not bullshit ourselves. There is a difference between medicine and magic. See, most guys aren't taking this now to stay healthy. They're almost taking it to fill a sort of spiritual void. They think that if they get big enough, that their anxiety will go away. They think that if their shoulders get broad enough, the world won't be able to crush them. But here's the dark joke. Drugs amplify who you are. If you're an insecure, anxious mess at 160 pounds, you're gonna be an insecure, anxious, paranoid mess at 220 pounds. You'll just be harder to kill. I literally see guys destroying their blood work, taking compounds that were literally meant for horses, ignoring their organs. This isn't warrior culture. This is vanity dressed up as strength. So I have this lump, okay? And this is just a reminder after this operation that biology is the one in charge. The average guy doesn't have a medical team. They don't have a coach. They're probably still listening to some information they've read from 2014, which was written by Big Steve 69. And when things go wrong, who do they talk to? You can't tell the wife because she doesn't know and she won't understand it. You can't tell the doctor because you'll just feel like you're getting a lecture. Things do go wrong. We have a generation of men walking around with fluctuating hormones, fried dopamine receptors, a secret that they carry every single day. They look like Superman, but they're feeling like a science experiment that's gone wrong. If you're gonna walk this path, the path of enhancement, you need to respect the fire. It's not a game, it's not a cheat code. It's literally a contract you sign with your own physiology. So guys, what's the answer? Stop? Go harder? No, the answer is wake the fuck up. If you're using gear to build a costume because you hate the actor underneath, the journey's already doomed. If you're doing the work, you're doing the internal work and the external work, and you're constantly striving to be better, like look guys, we all fuck up, we all make mistakes in life, okay? But if you're constantly doing that, then that's your choice. You choose what you put in your body. I'm not here to tell you what to do. Don't become the sheep that's acting like the wolf because he bought a wolf suit off Temu. Be a man who stands naked in the fire, owns his weakness, knows his blood, and accepts all accountability for what he is putting in his body. I'm gonna leave it with this. Fix the mind, then worry about the body.